Included in your AutoCAD 2019 subscription are access to the new AutoCAD web app and the AutoCAD mobile app. Because it's designed to help enable a seamless workflow across all of your devices, AutoCAD 2019 has added a new feature called Save to Web and Mobile. This allows you to take drawings that are saved on the desktop and open them up in the web browser or on a mobile device. To find this new option, go to the Quick Access toolbar. There, you'll see two new commands, Save to Web and Mobile and Open from Web and Mobile. Additionally, these commands can also be accessed from the App menu as options within Open and Save. The first time that you select one of these commands, you'll be prompted to install our Save to Web and Mobile extension. Once you've loaded the extension, you'll have the ability to make desktop files available to the AutoCAD web and mobile apps. When you click Save to Web and Mobile, a dialog box will appear and let you choose where to save your file. Once saved, the file is available for viewing and editing on AutoCAD web and mobile and can be accessed from anywhere you have Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you make edits in the field via the AutoCAD web or mobile apps, these edits will be displayed when opening the file again on desktop. To see changes I made on site, I'll select Open from Web and Mobile in AutoCAD's Quick Access toolbar and choose the drawing I'd like to view. Edits made via web or mobile will appear in this version of the drawing. However, it's important to note that this version of the drawing is still in the cloud, not on my desktop, which means that the one saved on my desktop will have to be overwritten. To do so, I'll perform a Save As and replace the older version with the edited one. By doing this, a drawing can be worked on at the office, edited in the field, and returned to the local network drive.